This is KXLY TV Channel 4, broadcasting from Mount Spokane, serving the great inland Northwest.
In 1953, when KXLY TV first went on the air, we used big, bulky studio cameras. In the 60s, we transitioned from black and white to color.
Down now.
In the next decade, we went from film to videotape, then satellite trucks. And in the late 90s, we completed a major expansion at our building here on Boone Avenue.
And the idea was to get us ready to go to the next step, which was high-definition television. One component of high definition is a much wider screen picture, more like movie-type experience in the theaters. And to do that, we had to come up with and design for a wider look studio.
Steve Hurling has been vice president and general manager since 1982.
When I arrived, we basically had the ABC television affiliation, and we had 2 radio stations, KXY AM and FM.
93 Zoo FM, Jim, and What's Hot Now?
We now have 7 radio stations.
News Radio 920, KXOY.
We're in a business where we're trying to, at all times, keep our listeners and our community informed.
That commitment extends into North Idaho. KXLY built studios for its news department and 2 radio stations in Coeur d'Alene, KVNI and KHTQ.
We also started our research company, Strategic Research Associates, SRA.
As well as an active satellite uplinking business, STS. The newest member of the KXLY broadcast group is the Internet, which has moved broadcasting into the print arena.
Now we have a full functioning circle. I mean, anywhere around the circle you can pick a means of getting information.
The business it's changing every day, and we're making history every day even though we don't realize it.